Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by acting precisely. Run the program as administrator to capture behavior, because permissions sometimes block system DLLs. Next, confirm whether the app is 32-bit or 64-bit so you know which runtime libraries it needs. Mismatched architecture causes the 0xc00007b error. Then install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, since missing or corrupted runtimes are the most common cause. Once done, restart the system to ensure new libraries load. You now dig into detailed diagnosis. Run Dependency Walker or a modern alternative to identify missing or corrupted DLLs and note their exact names and paths, because knowing what's missing directs the fix. Then run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair protected system files. This resolves many corrupt DLL issues. If SFC cannot repair everything, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to recover Windows components. After these steps, make sure to reboot so corrected files are active. You finish by reinstalling the application using the correct 32-bit or 64-bit installer, because reinstalling ensures bundled libraries are written properly. Update graphics and chipset drivers, since driver conflicts can manifest as 0xc00007b at launch. If problems persist, copy only verified, unmodified DLLs from a known good system or use the app vendor's installer. Avoid random internet DLLs. Troubleshooting tip: if error remains, create a system restore point, then perform a clean boot to isolate third-party service conflict.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.